Hello children, today we are going to start a new chapter, our festivals. We have many festivals in India. We have a lot of fun during these festivals. We all get together to celebrate the festivals. Some of the main festivals are Holi, Eid, Dasera, Diwali, Guru Parva, Christmas. As you know, we celebrate many festivals. We celebrate each other's festival together with joy. During religious festivals, gifts and sweets are exchanged. People greet one another. Special food is cooked in homes. Festivals bring people closer. It is the time for fun and enjoyment. Independence Day and Republic Day are our national festivals. Types of festivals. Festivals are of three types. They are national festival, religious festival, harvest festival. National festivals. Festivals which are celebrated by the entire nation are called national festivals. They are Republic Day, Independence Day, Gandhi Jayanti. Independence Day. India became independent on 15th August 1947. So the Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August. The Prime Minister of our country hoists the flag at Red Fort in Delhi and gives a speech. Republic Day. India became a democratic republic on 26 January 1950. We celebrate it as Republic Day. The main function is held at Rajpath. A special parade is taken out by the armed forces. Gandhi Jayanti. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi is better known as Mahatma Gandhi. He is also known as the father of the nation. He always believed in ahimsa and fought against the British without violence. Religious festivals. India is a land of many religions. So we have many religious festivals that are celebrated with joy across the country. Few of them are Christmas, Diwali, Holi, Dasera, Durga Puja, Raksha Bandhan, Eid, and many more. Harvest Festival. Harvest is an important activity in our country. It is the time when a crop is sown by the uh, people is ready for reaping are called harvest festival. Bihu is one of them. Bihu is the harvest festival of Assam. Special Bihu dances are performed across the state. Pongal. Pongal is the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. It is a 3-day festival. Onam. Onam marks the celebration of seasons in Kerala. Special dishes are prepared and served on banana leaves. Baisakhi. It is celebrated on 13th April every year. The festival is mainly celebrated in North India, particularly in Punjab and Himachal Pradesh. Now let us discuss some religious festivals. Holi is a festival of colors. People put gulal and throw colored water on one another. Children are very happy to celebrate this festival. Diwali is a festival of lights. People decorate their house with oil lamps, candles, or bulbs. Children enjoy fireworks and crackers. Eid is a festival celebrated by the Muslims. They go to mosque to offer prayer. This prayer is called namaz. They wish Eid Mubarak to all. They offer methi sivaya to guests and friends. That means this is the sweet dish, methi sivaya, to guests and friends they give. Eid is celebrated after a whole month of fasting. People go to the mosque to pray. We all enjoy delicious sivaya. Guru Parva is celebrated by the Sikhs. They celebrate Guru Parvas on the birthdays of their 10 Gurus. They decorate their houses, they go to the Gurudwaras to pray. Langar, a community lunch, is served there. So, what is a langar? A community lunch. Dasera is celebrated for 10 days. On the last day, the effigies of Ravana, his brother and son are stuffed with crackers. The crackers go off, the effigies are burnt. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December every year. It is the birthday of Jesus Christ. Christmas tree is decorated with sweets and toys. The children wait for Santa Claus. During all these festivals, people put on new dresses. They decorate their houses, they visit one another's house and exchange sweets. Did you know? Diwali is celebrated to mark the return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya after an exile of 14 years. On Christmas, Santa Claus brings gifts for children and puts them in stockings. Eid is celebrated thrice a year: Eid ul Fitr, Eid ul Juha, and Eid ul Milad. The first Guru of Sikhs is Guru Nanak. Now let us do some exercise question answers. When do we celebrate the Independence Day? It is 15th August. When do we celebrate the Republic Day? It is on 26th January. Every year we celebrate. Which festival is known as the Festival of Colors? Holi. Which festival celebrates the birthdays of Gurus? It is Guru Parvas. In which festival is a special tree decorated? Christmas. In which festival are the effigies of Ravana, his brother and son burnt? Dasera. What is the prayer of Muslims called? Namaz. So now we have to match the two columns. Holi, it will match with color. Eid, mithi sevaiyan. Diwali, crackers. Guru Parva, langar. Christmas, Santa Claus. Dasera, effigies burnt. Fill in the blanks with the words from the box. Christmas, 10, new, fun, decorate. So first one, children have lots of fun during festivals. People decorate their houses with oil lamps and candles on Diwali. Dasera is celebrated for 10 days. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December. We wear new dresses on festivals. Now activity, you have to do it yourself. Draw a Christmas tree and decorate it. You can make a Christmas tree also. Draw or paste a picture of your favorite festival.